When I first started practicing law, I went through a divorce. My own personal experience is what led me to this type of law. I wanted to be there for people who were in the same position I was in. That's part of our DNA as a firm. We're in the business of helping people rebuild, and we're going to keep moving forward. In 2018, our Panama City Beach office was ravaged by Hurricane Michael. It was one of the strongest hurricanes to ever hit the Gulf Coast.
The imagery is shocking from the air.
It's almost impossible to describe the destruction from Hurricane Michael here on.
We, like most of the people in our area, came back and our office was gone. And so we had to pick up the pieces and build a new office. To me, it's a metaphor for people going through divorces in general and what our firm stands for. When people are ravaged and been hit by something hard like a divorce, they're paralyzed by fear and uncertainty, we're there to help them keep moving forward and building that brighter future for tomorrow.
Gerard has been monumental to my case. I recognized that I needed an attorney that was committed to a positive outcome for my children and I. Gerard makes himself available to answer my questions and concerns. I felt comfortable working with Virga Law.
I was going through a divorce. I will say there's kids involved. My main objective was to be able to be a father to the young kids. Once I talked to Gerard the very first time, even on the phone, I knew I had somebody that could read my mind. He knew what I was thinking almost before I even spoke. He's been there before himself, and that reassured me I was definitely with the right law firm.
Our clients often come in with high asset divorces, and when they have a high asset divorce, we have a team of professionals we call upon: forensic accountants, forensic appraisers, social investigators, child psychologists. We want to present the court with the very best evidence on each and every topic of that divorce. Because when you have your day in court, it's not a day you can afford to waste. You can't live life looking in the rearview mirror, and we're going to help you move forward. And that's what I want people to leave the firm knowing. First thing we do is we come up with a plan to move that case forward, and we don't stop moving that case forward until we get the settlement that they're happy with or we get their day in court. And we're going to help them build the best future they possibly can have. If you're going through a high asset divorce or a complex custody issue, call the Virga Law Firm. We're here to help you get through it and help you start building that brighter future.